Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am yours Rahul. So from this video onwards we are starting the LeetCode challenges and I will start from the first question in that LeetCode, and I will use Java programming language in order to solve those challenges, and I will explain everything in that question as well as the answer that I am writing. So let's get into the video. So this is the question twoSum. Here we have one array of integers nums and one integer target. When when we add two elements in that array, we have to check the sum that we getting from them is equal to 9. If it is equal, then we have to give the array elements index, like for here we have 2 and 7, so 0 and 1 we are getting. And the second thing is we can't use the same element twice, so like that we have to write the code, means we can't use 3 twice in order to get the target. Okay, so here we have two inputs, array nums and target, and we have to return the result as an array with the two index values. First I am getting the length of the array, nums dot length. Then we have to get the outer loop, which means we have to get the gap loop. For that, for int I am using gap equal to 1, gap less than length gap plus plus. So here what I did was, we have to start the gap from 1, which means we need at least one element between the left and right indices. As gap increases, the program checks the pairs that are further apart in the array. Here I will give one example in this example 1, like if gap equal to 1 we will check 2 and 7, if gap equal to 2 we will check 2 and 11, like that it will go on. Next we have to go for the inner loop. For int we have to check the right one, gap right less than length right plus plus, sorry. So here this right represents the second index in the pair, which is starts at the position determined by gap and moves forward through the array. And this loop ensures that for each gap the program checks all the possible positions for the right index. Next we have to calculate the left index. For that we have to use another variable left, gives right minus gap, which means we have to ensure that for a given gap, the left and the right indices are positioned such that the difference is exactly gap, so the left and right indices form a valid pair. Next we have to check the sum. For that we have to check if numbers nums of left plus nums of right equal to target, then we have to return new int of left and right. Then we have to get out of all these loops and we have to return an empty array if we are not found any other solution. So we are returning return new int of 0. So it's run with 0 ms. This is the time complexity I mentioned. So here you can use any other variable names. I just use this in order to make it explain clearly, and you will get to know what's all these things. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tech updates and for more coding videos. See you in next video. Thank you.